In the realm of modern home decor, the integration of woodworking has evolved into an art form that is both aesthetic and deeply functional. Efficiency in woodworking projects today stems not only from skill and materials, but, most importantly, from thoughtful design. This thoughtful design isn't just about making items look good. It's about ensuring that every piece has a purpose, maximizes space, and elevates the living environment it inhabits. Hello, and welcome to Decor Ideas, where design meets detail in a decor world of creativity. Here, we explore woodworking projects and home decor ideas that inspire practical beauty. From simple crafts to elegant decor ideas, every video shows the heart of creativity. We keep it focused and full of visual ideas that speak louder than words. If you love thoughtful design and woodcrafts pieces, hit subscribe and let's bring your vision to life. Today we will show you a collection of woodworking projects design ideas for unique modern house decor and for profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In contemporary homes where space is often limited and multifunctionality is a priority, woodworking offers a way to blend beauty with utility. The modern woodworker must be part artist, part engineer, and part problem solver. The demand isn't just for tables, shelves, or cabinets, it's for solutions. And those solutions begin with intelligent design. Take, for example, a small apartment that needs a work-from-home setup. Instead of buying a bulky desk that occupies precious space, a thoughtfully designed wall-mounted folding desk made from solid wood can offer elegance, strength, and space-saving functionality. Such a piece is efficient not only in its form, but in its function. When the workday is done, the desk folds neatly into the wall, transforming the room back into a living area. It's the marriage of minimalism with practicality. This is where the essence of thoughtful design truly shines, in creating items that serve dual purposes. A wooden bench can store shoes beneath it. A headboard might feature hidden compartments for books or personal items. Even floating shelves can be engineered with concealed drawers. Each item becomes more than its surface appearance. It becomes a piece of intelligent living. The materials themselves also contribute to this efficiency. Wood is not only versatile and durable, but it can also be adapted to various finishes and tones, blending seamlessly with styles from Scandinavian to industrial to rustic chic. When combined with modern hardware and space-conscious planning, wooden furniture turns from basic home necessity to bespoke decor statement. Another critical aspect of thoughtful design is adaptability. In a time when lifestyles change quickly, from remote work to family expansion, modular furniture is gaining popularity. Wooden modular pieces allow users to reconfigure their furniture based on their evolving needs. A low-profile wooden cabinet might stack into a bookcase. A pair of stools might transform into a coffee table. These ideas are made possible through careful planning, precise joinery, and the understanding of how people interact with their living spaces. Modern design also pays attention to ergonomics. Furniture that not only looks beautiful but feels comfortable and supports healthy posture adds lasting value to any home. A handcrafted wooden desk designed with the proper height and depth, combined with smooth edges and ample legroom, invites the user into a more focused and enjoyable experience. Storage solutions are another area where efficiency through design becomes evident. From vertical cabinets that make use of high walls to understair drawers that turn forgotten corners into functional storage, woodworking allows for endless creativity. Thoughtfully designed wooden storage doesn't feel like an afterthought. It becomes an integral part of the room's design narrative. For woodworkers, creating such pieces means planning beyond the visual. It means thinking about how people live, move, and function in their spaces. It requires considering how often something will be used, how easily it can be cleaned, and whether it can be repaired or adjusted as needs change. Efficiency is no longer measured just by how fast something can be built, but by how well it serves its purpose over time. Are you finding today's decor idea helpful or inspiring? We'd really love to know. Drop a comment and share your thoughts. We're always reading and learning from you too. More great visuals and tips are just ahead, so don't click away. And if you'd like to keep up with stylish and smart projects, make sure you follow Decor Ideas for fresh uploads every day. Technology also plays a supportive role in enhancing design efficiency. Digital tools like SketchUp AutoCAD and CNC routers help woodworkers visualize and prototype ideas before cutting a single board. This reduces waste, improves precision, and makes the creative process more fluid. A well-rendered digital model can highlight design flaws before they become material realities, ensuring that each cut is intentional and productive. In modern home decor, trends favor clean lines, natural textures, and purposeful minimalism. Wood, with its warm tones and timeless appeal, meets these trends effortlessly. When paired with thoughtful design, it brings a sense of calm and order to a space. A simple wooden ladder shelf, for instance, can be designed to hold towels in the bathroom, plants in the living room, or books in a cozy corner, all while maintaining a slender footprint. Even small wooden accents, when efficiently designed, make a significant impact. Key holders with mail slots, coat racks with hidden hooks, charging stations that tuck away cables. All these small pieces contribute to an overall sense of harmony and intentionality within the home. Their presence eliminates clutter and introduces calm, proving that efficiency in woodworking is not just about grand pieces, but also about the details. For the woodworker, this approach to design invites a deeper connection to their craft. It challenges them to think not just about what they can make, but what their creation will mean to someone's daily life. It transforms the act of building into a dialogue with the end user, where every curve, joint, and grain has a role to play. Sustainability is another extension of this thoughtful design ethos. Efficient projects often use reclaimed or responsibly sourced wood. By prioritizing eco-conscious choices, woodworkers align their efficiency not just with human needs, but with environmental responsibility. A beautiful, functional, and sustainable wooden piece doesn't just decorate a home, it contributes to a healthier world. In essence, the efficiency in modern woodworking projects comes from a holistic approach to design. It's a recognition that form must follow function and that beauty is enhanced by purpose. As homes continue to evolve into multifunctional spaces, the demand for smart, stylish, and efficient wooden furniture will only grow. Through thoughtful design, woodworkers are not just creating items, they are crafting experiences. They are shaping environments that make life easier, more beautiful, and more sustainable. Every functional item, whether it's a compact desk, a clever shelf, or a cozy bench, stands as a testament to what is possible when craftsmanship meets intention. And in doing so, they redefine what it means to truly live well in the spaces we call home. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked woodworking projects design ideas for unique modern house decor and for profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.